I'm on top of the game, so make your move. Plus I got 2 rides, 1 pink, 1 blue. My money's so long, don't know what I'm gonna do. When they call me Mr. Flyway, you can call me SOOO. I'm just being me, why is that crazy? Chillin' in the crib with your baby. My blankets is big, this is how I live. And I'm looking so fly while I handle my business. That's right, we nasty. I love the smell of your trash stick. And if anyone's asking, we ain't going nowhere.
I bet you're gonna SWAT team.
Oh, now you're gonna call a SWAT team.
I bet you're gonna SWAT team. Somebody tell me that you're gonna SWAT team.
We're so fly, it makes you sick. Stop my buzz now, we're too quick. I'm so fly, I don't even have to try. Being myself, living life like a fly. We're so fly.
Next up, who got all the world buzzing? We got that one that call K-Fly. Show 'em how fly you is.
It's from K-Fly, I like my trash high. Come around Dolo, then we multiply. Smell you eating that good. I'm in the sky spying, just what I thought. Salami on rye. This girl ain't shy, I told you I'm fly. And that's just how we do. My buzz is crazy, bumblebee. So fly, my tongue never rumble. Please, down I like to take a bite. Yummy, mayonnaise, that is right. Oh man, here they come so fast. Why are you singing picking on me?
Next up we got the fly cousin. Usually seen around your local dumpster or anywhere nasty. He go by the name Fly Gene, baby.
I'm Fly Gene, I don't care about your hygiene. Man, I was born and raised in a deer spleen. I graduated, now I'm hated by the human race. I'm so fly, still coming straight off your face. I love a messy house with a roach and mouse and lots of flies. Find me a spouse. I don't never sleep. If you snooze, you lose. So I'm sipping on your coffee, man. Where's the food? You ain't gonna eat it, so you really don't need it. I love crumbs, man. Please don't scrape the plate. I'm still hungry, even though I already ate.
Yeah, that's right, man. We fly, and we do what flies do. See, we cool because we just being ourselves. We just being ourselves. Yeah. Fly, baby. I'ma go find me some bacon to stick to. Yeah. We be fly than you, we be fly. We be fly than you, we so fly. Oh my, we so fly. Oh my, we so fly. Think somebody done sprayed some stuff up in here. Yeah.
put it on your head, and you have to basically put it on your forehead, and you gotta smack it up your forehead, okay?
Put on my forehead. What? Is anything bad gonna happen? Is it gonna sting?
No.
Is it gonna...
No, no, stay. Here, feel it. Okay, so you got it? Smack it on your forehead, in the back of your head. No, from the back of your head. No. Put it on your forehead. Smack it off from the back of your head. Your hand, into your hand. No, into your hand. Okay. Alright. There you go. Don't try to cheat with your hand and put it in your hand. Smack it, just smack the back of your head. Smack it into the thing. Yeah, God. Smack it hard. Alright. Here we go. So here we go. Now smack it off the back of your head. Wait. Take your time. Smack it off. Hit harder.
Hurts.
You gotta hit it hard, but you gotta use your forehead at the same time to do it. I'll just take it off.
We did the penny trick on his